Hello everyone, this is ClearCut-Review and another unboxing for you. This time I would like to show you how I open and check for the first time my brand new Godox sl150. I will not lie to you, I was really curious before I could set up here everything. So I've opened it, but I only opened one of the lights because I ordered two and one is right behind me lighting my green screen. But I will show you how I opened the second one. So first of all, I got this huge box, and this here was the first one. So I throw it out now, and I take the huge box, and here we are. There we've got some cleaning tissue, some papers, but usually they are just showing some parts of the light, but nothing really important usually. Godox warranty card. I don't know what this is. Let's see what we've got. For sorry, we don't have a protection case, which makes me a little bit sad, but still for this price I guess it is still okay. And at least these foams are protecting well. Reflector, and alright, this is how it looks straight out of the box. Feels fine, nice, sturdy, not plasticky, it's metal. It's a little bit weak, seems a little bit weak, but still it's fine. It doesn't feel like it would be a really cheap thing. It feels actually good. The power cord and the remote control. If you take this off, comes off really easily, and you can put on the reflector. It just pops on, really great, really nice. And what I have already noticed with the another one that I already opened, that it has a really nice long cable. I think it's like a 5-meter cord, which it's really necessary if you would like to hang it somewhere and light from above. Because I have some other Neewer lights, and my problem with them is that they have a really short cable. I don't really know why they cannot spend like 20 cents more on it to put there a little bit longer cord. But anyway, if you would like to, yes, I will light it on. And it's on right away, and right away on 100%. So I will put it on 10%. It is not going deeper than that. So if you would like to use sometimes a really small amount of light, then you cannot go deeper than 10%. But I guess there are some other lights for it. So this is 10%, and this is from this close how it lights my face. Probably it's really burnt out. I was already comparing the another Neewer 660 LED light with my other sl150, and I can tell you that it gives approximately 3 times the light of that Neewer 660 LED. If you would like to know more about this light, and if you would like to know how I compare this one to the Neewer 660 LED light and to the 1320 video light from Neewer and to the daylight bulb, then check the another videos, please. And subscribe if you like, here or there or there. We'll see. See you next time.